Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Hanna Salsabila. I want storytelling about Yoko the Pity Monkey. Once upon a time, there was a young monkey. His name Yoko. He was an active and playful monkey. He lived with his parents and his friends in a beautiful mountain. The mountain was covered with huge old trees that grew tall into the sky. Some of the trees bore delicious fruits. Every day, Yoko and the other monkeys would eat fruits from the trees. It was always cool up there in the mountain. When it rained, the water that flowed down the mountain filled the river with water. Yoko then could see the people from a nearby village come to the river to catch a fish, or they also bathe and wash their clothes in the river. These people did not disturb of the animals that live there. It made Yoko feel secure about his family and his friends. One day, one of the monkeys, Chiro, came screaming and jumping hurriedly from tree to tree. "Run!" he screamed. "Run, everyone! A huge monster is coming this way. It is eating all the trees with his large, sharp teeth." All the monkeys, birds, and other creatures that live in the forest ran for their lives. The sound the monster made was very loud and frightening. They ran away as far as they could. The monkeys stayed where they were until everything was quiet again. When they found their way back, they saw that all of the trees were gone. Some people were standing near the monster, which was actually a bulldozer. These people were different from the who went to the river to catch a fish or bathe. Yoko and other monkeys felt very sad because they didn't have a home anymore, and there's no food left for them. Eventually, they decided to leave the mountain and find another forest to live in. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.